If roads looked like they do on maps, off-road vehicles wouldn't get stuck. But in real life, mountain roads are hard to pass. That's where tracks can help. These track systems replace wheels, making your vehicle like a real tank. Changing a tire on the road is stressful, especially if it's dark. This electric jack makes it much easier. Just plug it into your car and press a button. The motor lifts your car in minutes. It also includes a tire inflator with a built-in gauge, so you can swap and fill that tire quickly. Here's another device designed for super heavy off-road equipment, Blue Tracks. Named for their blue paint, they're made of hardened steel links spaced a few inches apart and fit common forestry tires from 30 to 37 inches. This winch is simple to use. It runs off your vehicle's battery, spins a motor, and gives extra pulling power, up to 3,500 pounds. The rope wraps around a small drum inside a steel box. Tire pressure makes a big difference in how well a vehicle handles different types of roads. German designers created a system that quickly adjusts all tires at once. It works fast, and it doesn't need electricity at all. This tool uses Canadian plates with strong nylon and steel ratchets. You get 2 per set for one drive axle, fitting many truck and SUV wheels. Each plate is 7 inches long. Easy to install in minutes, they help tires gain grip in snow or mud at very low speeds. Traction system is simple. 2 sand tanks sit by rear wheels. When the tires slip, sand drops in front of them. The best part is that driver can turn it on or off from the cab. The Bogged kit makes getting your vehicle out of the mud easy, completely replacing the need for a winch. It uses strong straps attached to a solid anchor, like a tree, and loops them around a wheel. As the wheel turns, the vehicle is pulled out. Check out this new pulley for synthetic winch ropes. It's super light, just 21 ounces, but can pull 22,000 pounds. In a typical setup, a soft shackle connects the pulley to an anchor point. The winch line runs through the ring and either changes direction or loops back to the vehicle to create a 2-to-1 pull. In the US, snowy and icy winter conditions contribute to hundreds of thousands of vehicle crashes each year. Because maintaining roads in these conditions is critical, PWAG offers us a solution. These steel chains add strong grip, protect wheels, and tighten themselves as you drive for safer winter travel. Some engineers from the USA took a completely different approach to the problem, designing the Pole Pal land anchor as one-piece tool. It's a heavy-duty anchor for when a vehicle is stuck with nothing to attach a winch to. In deserts or muddy roads, it digs deeper as you pull, giving a strong hold. Motor winch jack is perfect if you can't lift your bike by yourself. You hook the strap to the handlebars and start ratcheting. Each click lifts the bike a little at a time. Nothing ruins your trip like getting stuck. After testing dozens of times, Exit Track's built a tougher alternative. These boards come in 3 sizes, all about 11 pounds. Slide one under your stuck tire and it helps drive out. If your rear axle sinks and the wheels start spinning in the air, your road trip can turn into a long walk. The Ridge Rider Jack can help. It lifts up to 6,000 pounds and reaches about 31 inches. This little winch is super handy. It has a motor and it only weighs 8 pounds. You can pull by hand first and then use the motor, and the brake keeps the rope from slipping. It hooks to a battery and a solid anchor, so you can move it between bikes and use it whenever you get stuck. Warrior Winch changes the usual ATV setup by ditching front winch. Everything comes in one box, including the motor and rope. It can pull up to 4,000 pounds and uses strong internal gears and an automatic brake. Everybody has a regular drill, so this little winch hooks up to drill and comes in 2 sizes. One can pull 500 pounds, the other 750. You just hook it to what you're moving, let the rope out with the clutch, and then turn on the drill to pull it in. Next, let's talk about this shovel. It is about 19 inches long and weighs just over 1.5 pounds. The 2mm blade has 3 sharp edges for digging, cutting, and even breaking ice. CPT rigs are huge machines weighing 40,000 pounds. Big number, right? And they don't need ropes or winches to do their job. They move slowly, 2 to 9 miles per hour, but their wide tracks help them glide without leaving big marks. SUVs aren't the only vehicles that can find themselves in stuck. Cars with rear-wheel drive can get stuck too, but they usually lack spots for a winch. Australian engineers fixed this with the Bush winch, which clips onto the wheel and uses the car's engine to pull it out. Think of this as a backup plan for when you're stuck and there's nothing around to hook a winch to. The ground anchor is a basic recovery tool for ATVs with no trees or vehicles nearby. You set it into the soil, attach your winch, and more you pull, the deeper it digs. Next system kicks in really fast, usually in just a couple of seconds. It works best with a few inches of snow, and you can use it going forward or backward, anywhere from about 5 to 25 miles per hour. This traction tool comes in 3 lengths, 46, 58, or 70 inches. It can raise a tire 3 to 4 inches when stacked. Made from cold-resistant plastic with steel hinges, it folds like an accordion to fit small spots and stay aligned under tires.